Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to safely remove the battery from the ASUS TUF A15 laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure your laptop is completely powered up. Don't just close the lid, shut it down fully. This is important for safety. Next, unplug your charger and any connected device like USB drivers or headphones. Now carefully flip the laptop upside down so the bottom is facing up. You will see a panel with screws and the battery inside. Use a small Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws securing the bottom cover. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Gently lift the back cover from the edges. You can use a plastic tool if needed. Be careful not to force it. It should come off easily. Inside you will see the battery. There is a connector attached to the motherboard. Carefully unplug this connector by pulling it straight out. Now remove the screws holding the battery in place. Once done, lift the battery out carefully and that's it. Your battery is removed. To plug it back, just reverse these steps. Always handle the battery gently and avoid bending it. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.